Hi Jaffer Beauties, this is Lily and I'm in the studio doing some behind the scenes work for you guys. I wanted you to come along with me and check out some of the setup we have for an open house post that we're gonna do, and also the setup for the video that we previously did this morning that I hope you all checked out, which was the Midnight Wish collection. But I'll start off by showing you my photographer here. Say hi, Mario.
Hello ladies, how are you?
What are you doing?
Well, we're setting up the lights. We're getting the camera ready so that we can start shooting some of these wonderful gift ideas so for you guys can share with your clients.
Okay, so let me show them. So here's Mario with his camera making all the magic happen. And as you can see, here's the lighting. Right here we have the basket with the brochures, and we have the guides or the multi-folds for you to, like, recreating an open house scenario. As you can see, here we have a little basket. We have a Boost giftable basket idea. We have flores, kids, we have men, we have color, we have revitalized, and of course it's very holiday themed with the candles, and we have the poinsettia, if you say it like that, and then you have your tree, of course. And here's Mario, and of course recreating a whole open house. This is the shot that we want to go for, recreating someone's home. So of course you have to have the little goodies here with some juice, right? So
Can I have some?
No, not yet.
Oh.
Sorry. And then on this side, which is what we call our marketing side, here's where we previously recorded the Midnight Wish Get the Look. Here's how we had her set up. Here's kind of like the makeup desk. We have the lipsticks, the eyeshadow, the brushes, you know, everything that we needed to shoot it. So this is the studio, ladies. This is where all the magic happens. So I hope you are giving those Facebook posts a like and you're checking out our videos, because we definitely do it all with love for you. Right, Mario?
That's correct.
Okay.
Happy holidays, ladies.
Happy holidays.